Maybe due to changing weather or wind exposure, we often catch cough, cold, or flu. So this is the right time to note down this remedy because the season is changing. It works great and even tastes good. I've written all the ingredients and details in the caption. Mix everything well and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Don't overcook or undercook it. Just cook until all the water dries up. Before it cools down, shape the mixture on butter paper as you like and let it sit for a while. Just made it few times in a week and you will forget about cough, cold, or flu. Write the word MOKA to get my guide, Ayurvedic Home Remedies for Cough and Cold Relief.